It's time for
Doctor's Court.
Court is now in session. The day your child is born, that's an unforgettable one. But imagine your newborn child being stripped from your arms because of a vitamin shot. Have a look. Several parents are suing major hospitals and doctors in Illinois after being subjected to Department of Children and Family Services investigations into allegations of potential medical neglect. The reason? Refused mandated vitamin K shots for their newborns. One family involved in the lawsuit claims their daughter was taken away just minutes after she was born and kept from them for 12 hours because they refused the vitamin K injection. Are these vitamin K shots medically necessary? And do these angry parents have a case? Join us now to hash this out is attorney Anahita Sedaghatfar. Welcome back. Good to have you. Now,
Thank you for having me.
this is the doctor's court, but it is still the doctor. So before we hash out the legality, talk about the importance of the vitamin K shot for newborns.
Well, the shot helps to prevent vitamin K deficiency bleeding. We all need vitamin K for our blood to clot and to stop bleeding, but babies aren't born with a lot of vitamin K. In fact, all infants are at high risk until they start eating regular food at about 4 to 6 months and until the bacteria in their intestines starts to make vitamin K. And some people will say, well, you know what, how about breast milk? Breast milk is great. And breast milk is great, but unfortunately, it's not a good source of vitamin K. Now, after baby is born, of course, we want to give mom and baby time to bond. So you can delay the shot for up to 6 hours after delivery. But, you know, it's just really important. According to the CDC, without this shot, babies are 81 times more likely to get into serious bleeding, and 1 out of 5 babies with vitamin K deficiencies bleed and they die.
And that's why there's been a legal tussle here, because it is so important to prevent bleeding
To be
complications.
devil's advocate, to separate the infant from the parents, is that to keep them in a safe place so they can observe them? What would be the rationale to do that?
Apparently in 2015, DCFS had a policy that said if parents refused the vitamin K shot, then you had to report it because that was potentially neglect. And then, you know, there were a lot of parent complaints, and in 2018, they rescinded that. But I'm assuming they were saying that they were reporting it and doing whatever they were told to do by law, and that's why there was this 12-hour gap, I'm assuming.
That was one purported case, but the important key here, and I speak from my own experience in the ER, when DCFS gets involved, no matter what is at stake, their first priority is to protect the child. When you look at this case, I don't think anyone would argue that a baby being taken away for 12 hours, that should not happen.